Imagine a table prepared not by human hands, but by God Himself. A banquet where time stands still, sorrow has no seat, and joy is served without measure. This is the heavenly banquet, the ultimate invitation every soul longs for, whether they realize it or not. The heavenly banquet is not just about food. It is about belonging. It is the moment when heaven celebrates the arrival of the redeemed. No rush, no fear, no rejection. Every guest is known by name, welcomed with honor, and seated with love. The table stretches farther than the eye can see, long, endless, and overflowing. Plates are filled, not emptied. Cups run over, not dry. The bread carries life itself, and the drink refreshes the soul eternally. Every taste reminds you, you are home. There are no empty chairs reserved for regret or guilt. Shame is not on the guest list. Fear was turned away at the gate. Only grace is allowed to remain. Every soul present understands one truth clearly. This moment was worth every trial endured. The atmosphere is filled with a peace deeper than silence and a joy louder than any song on earth. Angels move with purpose, not hurried, not tired, serving with delight. The light does not come from lamps or the sun, but from the presence of God Himself, glowing warmly over the table. Laughter echoes like music. Worship rises naturally, not forced, not rehearsed. It flows from hearts finally free. Conversations are rich with stories of victory, redemption, and mercy. Stories of how God carried His children through storms they thought would destroy them. At the head of the table sits Jesus, not distant, not unapproachable, but welcoming, smiling, and full of compassion. His presence alone explains everything that once felt confusing on earth. Every why suddenly fades, replaced by overwhelming understanding and peace. The heavenly banquet is the celebration of love fulfilled. It is the marriage supper of faith and promise. The moment when heaven says, "Well done, you made it." No one checks the time, because eternity has begun. No one worries about tomorrow, because joy has no expiration date. The banquet does not end. It continues in perfect communion with God forever. And the most powerful truth of all, this banquet is not for the perfect. It is for the willing, for the faithful, for those who trusted God even when the road was dark. The invitation still stands.